My goodness, look at all the doves. My goodness. 8, 9, 10. Bluebirds. There's 2 bluebirds. Hi, babies. 2 bluebirds. Nope, 3. Oh, look at you. Hi, baby. Oh, we've got doves. Oh, sorry, I'm jumping around so much. Doves. Bluebirds. Oh my God. What a day. You know, it's just incredible to watch. Just watch all these birds. Oh my God. And we have a woodpecker. Goodness. It's a baby woodpecker. Oh, we haven't seen any woodpeckers for a little while. It's been several months. Oh, it's nice to see you. Hi, baby. What you doing? Sugar? Aw. Oh, what a cute woodpecker. And of course we got a chickadee and sparrow, regular sparrow, and this is all our babies. Oh, just having a day, man. Rainy day. They all just hang out here in my backyard. They're just happy. Sometimes I don't get things done and I feel bad about it, but oh, just watching the birds just calms me down, man. Calms me right down. You know, when I was younger, I used to get so mad when somebody said I was emotional. I prided myself on being kind of tough, man. Tough as nails. Well, I'm not tough anymore. I healed from all of those wounds that made me feel like I had to live life tough. And now I get to enjoy the birds. Look at these birds. My God, you guys are gorgeous. My Lord. The perfection. Look at this. We got a white-winged dove showed up. They're kind of pushy, man. So, yeah. You see a difference in this one? I don't know if you can. These are cutie poos. Oh, my goodness. Everybody's just happy. Rainy day in the desert. We're going to be up in the 90s after all this rain stops, so ready or not, we're moving into summer. Namaste, y'all. Namaste.